As I've conveyed earlier, both sides have agreed to hold the next round of the senior commander levels meeting soon, and we are in close communication over diplomatic and military channels in this regard. We'll keep you informed and we'll share information. You would know that the visit took place recently, and the foreign minister was here to co-chair the 6th round of the India-Nepal Joint Commission meeting with EM, which was held on the 15th of January. It was a very productive event, and it allowed for a comprehensive review of all issues in the format of the Joint Commission, and the entire gamut of bilateral relations were discussed. The visiting dignitary also had other engagements during his stay in New Delhi. You know that both countries enjoy a very special and close partnership based on a unique people-to-people linkage, and the holding of the recent high-level meeting, despite the COVID-related restrictions, is yet another example of the strength of our ties. MV Jaganand effected a crew change for the 23 sailors in Japan, and the sailors have proceeded to India. And as regards MV Anastasia, which has 16 Indian crew and is at anchorage at the Caophidian port in China, our embassy in Beijing has been in touch with the Chinese side at both the central government level as well at the provincial levels to effect crew change at the earliest. Our embassy is continuously following up with both the shipping company as well as with the relevant Chinese authorities to ensure the well-being of the crew as well as to facilitate this matter further.